how to transfer data to the Samsung Galaxy S25 series after setup from another phone. So first tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. After that, we then scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. Now in here, tap on transfer data for device setup. And then choose receive on this phone. Now in here, select the Galaxy or the iPhone. So we're going to select Galaxy and then choose wireless or cable. So we're going to select wireless. And here on the other phone, you want to open up the camera app. So on another Samsung phone, open up the camera app and then just point at it. Then tap on download. So it's now connecting to transfer your data. So tap on the connect button down here. Okay, next we're going to choose what you want to transfer. So select custom and tap on next. From here you can select what you want to transfer over. So in this video I'm just going to select calls and contacts and messages. Okay, so after that tap on transfer. And here say keep your phone close to each other to stay connected. Backup messages data. And now it is transferring the data over. Okay, here say done with this phone. Tap on done. And tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then tap on next to review and then tap on done. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.